Transform the look and increase the off-road performance of your diesel-equipped Jeep JL with Rough Country's 3.5-inch suspension lift kit. The diesel engine's low-end torque makes a Jeep JL an off-roading machine. Add Rough Country's 3.5-inch lift and a set of 35-inch tires, and you'll be unstoppable. This kit is offered with two options. You can go with a set of control arm drop brackets or upgrade to Rough Country's adjustable control arms. Both include sway bar links, bump stops, a front adjustable forged track bar, and front and rear linear coil rate springs, providing great handling while retaining more lift height under load than other designs. Rough Country's control arm option gives you so much additional articulation, we include our upgraded CV front drive shaft. This heavy-duty option ensures proper driveline angles at all times. Lastly, both options feature an easy, no-fuss installation process with only light drilling required. Rough Country's 3.5-inch suspension lift kit for the diesel-equipped Jeep Wrangler JL. Get yours today.